Waiting for Mateo. Gonna eat some chicken. Gonna eat some fried chicken. You ready to eat some fried chicken?
A few moments later.
Okay, they're coming. Okay.
Aww.
There's Mateo and Amber. Are you happy?
Yes!
Hi, bro. Hi, Amber. Okay. Let's go out, guys. We're at 5S. Let's go. Show us your crib, Ate. Let's see the crib. Whoa, here we go.
Wow!
Give us a tour of your crib. Okay, this is the kitchen area here, the dining area. Here is the kitchen. This is the TV room, the family room, and then the bedroom. Wow. Say thank you. Whoa! I wish I was Peepa.
You can open it now. Okay?
Whoa! Look at that. Okay, Peep. Arigato. Whoa! That's okay. You're not doing anything wrong. Wow. Uh-huh. Merry Christmas. That's from Mateo. We're at Newport City, guys. Newport City. Headed towards the mall. Taking the kids to the playground. You'd be tired, huh? Keep on going. Maybe just one of those. One of those right there. Oh, that one. Okay. Grapes. All right. How much is that? 100. Thank you. Is it good? I have to try it. You don't want to try it? Voila. Uh-oh. Wow. Try it. That's a grape. Uh-oh. You didn't like it. Keep on walking, guys. Sugar-coated grapes. Almost there, guys. As we finally made it to Newport Mall. See, watch out there. Whoa, she already threw it. What was your wish? Her wish was she wants to go to Japan. And that's what we're gonna do in next year, 2025. This is the garden and longing. Let's see what's going on over here. Cool, wow. See, this is the playground. You guys like it? You like the playground? Just kidding. Let's go. Yep. What kind of fish is that? Jellyfish? It's like a jellyfish. Alright, let's go. Unless mom wants to buy a Rolex. Right over there, huh? You want to buy a Rolex, baby? Uh-oh, slowly. Ah. This is the garden wing. Take a picture of the gingerbread house. Oh, they might have Santa Claus in there. See if Santa Claus is in there. Let me ask her if Santa Claus is in there. Santa Claus in there? Is Santa in here? No.
Huh?
No Santa. Oh, okay, it's like chocolate. Wow. We're inside the gingerbread house.
Wow!
This is, look. They have gingerbread man. These are cookies. These are cookies. You want cookies? You want a gingerbread cookie? What do you want? What do you want? Look, babe. As you should see, they have the gingerbread cookies right there. For $1K. Can I borrow $9.50? This is what we're gonna get right here because this is what Daddy can afford.
That's right!
Candy canes. Here, give it to the lady. Okay. 500, huh? Okay, there you go. Say thank you.
Arigato!
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Alright, let's go. You guys, that's cool. Maybe we take a picture right here, guys. Alright. Alright. Let's go. We're gonna go straight, straight to. Wow, look at this. Let me see your candy canes. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, maybe we give her one. We're letting the girls open up the candy canes right now. This is gonna be the first time you had candy canes. Huh, Pipa? First time you ever had candy cane before? You want some too, Fifi?
もちろんです。
Okay.
Plastic.
Yeah, open it. You have to take it out of the plastic. You want candy cane?
Yummy.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
It's
and
cool,
a
huh?
Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of
This is where we're at,
good
guys.
cheer.
Newport
Good
Mall.
tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
So they used to have a playground which was over there somewhere, but they got rid of the playground, so we have to play video games. We're at Limitless. What you playing, Fifi? Look at my girls playing. Wow, 14, huh? Go, Fifi. Look at Fifi's outfit. You got it, Fifi. Go.
Yeah.
We need more balls. We need more balls. Voila. 20. People's doing TikTok. They're gonna watch Moana 2 at 3:20. Let me see that ticket. Moana. Let's see where it's Moana. Waiting for the movie Moana 2 to start. There's the movie theater right there. Oh, that's cool right here. Look at that, Fifi. Boss Kitchen. Look, it's Mona Lisa. What's up, Mona Lisa? This is cool. This is me. Wow. Isn't that cool? Wow. Yeah. As we are at Golden Ramsay's Bar and Grill. I am getting a drink here while we're waiting on Pipa. There's Gordon Ramsay right there. How was it? Did you like the movie? It was good?
Yeah.
Let's go. It was a long movie too, huh? Long movie.
One have a tattoo. Nah. This,
Tattoo?
Yeah. Tattoo of the New Island.
Ah.
I want
Good.
tattoo.
You want tattoo now, huh? Uh-oh. Winding down, guys. Winding down. Going through the street food area here, guys. You see, this is Newport Boulevard right here. We're looking for some biryani. Uh-oh, copyright. Wait. Hey, what are you guys hungry for? I know, Belita. Okay, I think we found the biryani place. Right here. Yeah, this is it. Grab something to eat here. Look at this. This is what we're gonna have. Biryani value meals. Watch your step, guys. Hello. Oh, look at these. Wow. Hello. Wow, look at that. See, that's a real one-wheeler. Wow. Take care, guys. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.